Press 9 to speak to our expert.
Thank you for choosing our premium technical support. My name is Shantam. How can I help you today?
Hi, I got a pop-up on my computer, and it said your computer will be frozen if I don't call this number. So, I'm here.
Okay, are you registered with us?
No.
Okay, I'm so sorry to say this, but as you are not a registered customer, I will be unable to help you.
Wait, actually, I'm registered. Is this premium tech support?
No, this is premium technical support.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm registered.
Okay, how much have you paid to us, ma'am?
I'll give you my email for my account. Also,
How
pronouns,
much have you
please.
paid to us for the service?
Sir, can you please, I hate to be a pain, but can you respect my pronouns? I don't want to be called ma'am. I want to be called they, because I sexually identify as an attack helicopter.
Sorry?
My gender, so my sex is male, but my gender is attack helicopter. And I like to be called they. Or Apache. Okay?
Okay, so can you please help me with the order ID?
Excuse me? You didn't call me by my pronouns. It's Apache or they. So that's how you're supposed to address me.
I mean, can you please provide me the order ID of the purchase?
Hey, saucy boy. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to assume. I called you a saucy boy, but I didn't mean to assume your gender. I'm gonna say this again, okay? My pronouns are Apache or they, because I identify as an attack helicopter. So please address me as Apache or they.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Mistakes happen.
So can you please help me with the proper order ID so that I can help you out?
What's the order ID? Sir?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, what's the order ID? Alright, let me break this down for you. I was cruising through my computer, you know, just looking at cat videos on YouTube, and all of a sudden, this big pop-up ad comes up and says, "Error. Your computer will be frozen if you do not call this number. Do not exit this or your computer will be frozen." And this was the number listed, so that's where I am. I don't have a sign-up shit or anything. I just need help unfreezing my computer.
Okay, so I believe you have paid to us, right?
Paid you? I didn't pay you shit. I just need to unfreeze my computer. Got it, guy? Also, attack helicopter. Remember my pronouns.
Are you registered with us?
Listen, bud. First of all, pronouns. Attack helicopter. Address me as Apache or they. Okay? And I am not registered with you. I don't know what I have to be fucking registered for. My computer is frozen.
I'm so sorry. As you are not a registered customer, I'm sorry I'm unable to help you out, but we thank you so much for calling our premium technical
Wait,
support.
give me a second, man.
Have a great day. Thank you, bye-bye.
Don't hang up, please. I have a couple questions for you. Alright? Do you want to go get a beer
As I'm not
sometime?
getting any professional response from you and I have to disconnect the call. As I'm not getting any
Do you have fun scamming people and stealing their money?
As I'm not getting any professional response from you and I have to disconnect the call. Thank you, have a great day.
Thanks. You too. Go fuck yourself.